Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use single take on the Samsung camera in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open camera app. Now after opening the camera app, click on the more option and from here select single take. Now after selecting single take, click on this shutter button to start recording, and then it will start recording for 10 seconds. Now record your 10 seconds video and then click on this picture option. So this is the single take that you took. Now in this single take there are 6 different types of the take. So this is the boomerang clip, this is the fast forward clip, this is the cropped shot, so here is the filtered picture, and this is the original video of 10 seconds. So that's how you can use the single take on Samsung camera in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.